John. And today, what are we doing, Stash?
A pizza.
We're making pizza. Okay, Stash, hello. Can you tell us what ingredients we need today?
We need 25 grams of fresh yeast, 400 milliliters of lukewarm water, 3 teaspoons of salt, 6 teaspoons of olive oil, 650 grams of purpose flour.
All-purpose flour, fantastic. And the recipe today is coming from Nordic Food Living, fantastic. Apparently it's the best pizza dough recipe. Yes, Stash? So what's in the bowl, Stash?
Oil, water, yeast, and salt.
Okay. And what are you doing now?
I'm mixing it so there would be no lumps.
Okay, good. What's next then, Stash?
So next we're gonna leave it for 10-15 minutes. So it's gonna have little bubbles.
Oh, fantastic. So let's wait.
So today we put everything in. Now we're just gonna put 650 grams of flour in. And 2.
Let's wait a second. Go on then, ramp it up to 2.
And 4.
How long are we needing it for, Stash?
15 minutes.
And then we'll do some by hand.
No.
Yes.
Well, like.
No, not with your finger, with your hand you don't. We'll have a look in a minute at kneading dough. The Stash is kneading the pasta, the pizza base, eh, Stash? Does it feel nice?
Yeah, it feels really hot and nice.
Okay. Kneaded dough into the bowl with a little bit of olive oil. And we're just going to leave it for about an hour now to rise. And we'll see how big it gets, eh, Stash?
Okay.
Okay. So what's next then, Stash?
So we're gonna punch it because it's full of air and we don't want the air.
Okay, come on then. Let's go then. Yeah, lift the bowl up. Go on, punch it. All of it, not just in the middle.
A bit of toppings, which is really amazing. With a smiley face, for me it looks like 2 eyes, a nose, and a beard.
A beard?
A little
Okay. Okay, then should we put it in the oven?
moustache.